Hey, future medics. Today we are discussing connective tissue. And before we get into all of the different kinds and everything that it can do, I want you to understand what it is and how it's different than epithelial tissue. And that's going to make everything fall right into place. So, connective tissue is different than epithelial tissue because it's not cells that are tightly packed together. Instead, they're much more spread out in something called a matrix. The matrix is key. Now, the matrix can be very watery, can be squishy, can be kind of rubbery, or it can be hard. And that's how connective tissue has so many different jobs inside of the same family. Now, the matrix is made up of ground substance, fibers, and cells. And how much you have of each determines what that tissue can do. And so that's how we have very soft, supportive tissue that cushions around our organs and keeps them safe. And then we have stronger tissue that will connect your muscle to your bone. And we have more absorbent tissue that acts as a shock absorber in your joints. But then also we have more rigid tissue that supports the entire body. So depending on that matrix is very important because we have all these different jobs of connective tissue within the same family. So if epithelial tissue was about coverage and protection, connective tissue is about structure, support, and survival. We in EMS see these injuries all the time with muscle strains and sprains, fractures, deep burns, even joint injuries and cartilage injuries. All the time you're going to see these. Now, how these heal depend upon the tissue type, the matrix that they're in, and how good the blood supply is to that area. So that is a big overview of the different types of connective tissue. There are several different types and they all behave so differently. We're going to break them down in smaller videos so that it all makes sense and you can understand each type. You're doing great. You're going to be fine. I'll see you soon.